we have to stop using PDFs and even Word documents as data distribution platforms and knowledge distribution platforms. At the moment, there's a lot of situations where somebody goes, "Hey, here's a cool information, here's a good standard, here's a good resource, and here's a PDF." The problem is PDFs are horrible ways to parse. Like not just PDFs internally are freaking vector-based, and they're really not easy ways to extract information from. They're not consumable, right? So the PDF should be the output. It's okay, but we need to start publishing the graphs. Ideally, we should publish as a semantic knowledge graph, or as a markdown file, or as a spreadsheet even, right? Or CVS, but not a freaking PDF, right? Because, if you provide a PDF that has a bunch of guidance, for example, a bunch of questions to ask or a bunch of information, like, how do you extract data from it? And how do you version control it? And how do you manage it? There's a new version coming up, how do you diff it? How do you extract that stuff? So there's a lot of then heavy lifting information wise in transformation that needs to be done just to extract information. And what we really should have is we should have, in a way, the raw material is being published and then create the PDF from it. So in a way, the PDF is created from those materials, and that becomes way more efficient way to communicate.